got to make money in your sleep. While y'all sleeping, you got to make money if you want to be wealthy.
Baby, don't check for me.
Well, hey, boss up babies. Have you guys bossed up today? If you haven't bossed up today, then what are you doing? We the boss up babies around here. We get it in and we get it done. Yes, we do. Hello. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mama Cutie. Thank you for joining me today. I'm a college professor, and here on YouTube, I help you guys boss up in your daily life. If you guys don't mind, go ahead and hit that like button or dislike button. That helps YouTube send my videos out. So thank you for joining me today, guys. I got a good topic that I saw today that I need to tell y'all about. And the topic today is how to build wealth with zero. How to build wealth with zero, guys. You know I'm gonna have to bring it to you to let y'all know how to build wealth with zero. Number one, guys, you know we have to get that mindset right. You just can't be wealthy with a poisoned mind. You got to be able to think wealthy. You got to be able to act wealthy. In order to act wealthy, you got to know how to personally finance your money. You know, take a budget. Take notes of where your money is going. That's very important. You know, when we think about personal finance, guys, everybody gets so scared. You know, oh, you're not good with numbers. You don't have to be good with numbers to understand personal finance. It's just a personal finance, budgeting your money, learning everything you can on how to grow your money. That's number one. So whatever y'all need to do to increase your knowledge on personal finance, start doing that today. Start changing that mindset and getting into more of learning about your personal finance. You got to know where your money going. You got to know how to save your money. You got to know how to save it and where to save it at. It's all in the mind, and how you guys are handling your personal finances is going to put you even closer, boss up babies, to building that wealth with no money. Number two thing, guys, what we're going to have to stop doing is focus on yourself and don't focus on other people. I'm telling you, focusing on yourself is forgetting about impressing your friends and family. You know, us people, sometimes we'll go spend thousands of dollars on designer clothes just to impress other people, and then wonder why we don't have that wealthy lifestyle that we desire. You're never going to achieve that wealthy lifestyle if we continue to try to impress people. Stop impressing people. Save your money. Invest your money wisely. Third thing, guys, is we're going to have to start making money in our sleep. If you want to be wealthy and you ain't got no money, you're going to have to start making money in your sleep. Y'all already see Mama Cutie's over here, what? On her side hustle. My side hustle is YouTube. Y'all got to get them side hustle on. Y'all got to get up and get on these side hustles. I've been putting out a lot of side hustle videos for y'all. If y'all haven't watched my side hustle videos, y'all got to go watch them. You got to get up and get that side hustle on. Because you already see what Mama Cutie doing. She bossing up, baby, right over here. Her side hustle. You got to make money in your sleep. While y'all sleeping, you got to make money. If you want to be wealthy, make money in your sleep. Make a YouTube video. Get a YouTube channel going. Stop sitting around just watching people on YouTube, and get yourself on YouTube. Also, all them side hustles that I've been throwing out there for y'all, go watch them. Even if you making $250 a month in a side hustle, that's still $3,000 a year. I want everybody to understand, you cannot be wealthy overnight. You have to be patient. Wealth takes time, and wealth takes patience. So you got to give yourself that. Don't beat yourself up because you're not where you want to be at right now. We all have milestones that we need to take. So don't beat yourself up. You're going to get there as long as you implement these strategies. Another thing, boss up babies, stop buying stuff you don't need. Stop buying the crap. You know, I found myself several times just buying things, and they just either sit with the tag on it or sit in the bag, and I never use it. Stop being a spontaneous buyer. And I'm like that a lot. I'm a spontaneous buyer. I like to just go out and I think that something is cute and I'm gonna get it, right? But then I don't use it. So start using your money wisely. Stop just spending your money on anything. Buy items consciously. Don't be an unconscious buyer. When you go into that store, make sure you're prepared and have a list on what you need to buy instead of just randomly going in there picking up stuff. Always make your list before you go to the store and before you buy things. And that way, stick to your list. So when you get in that store, you get your items from your list and you get your butt on out of there. Don't get no extra stuff you didn't plan for, because more than likely you're not going to use it. You have to understand, stores set their settings up for you to buy more. It's designed to be that way. Have you ever thought about why the milk section is always in the back? And you know, we use milk on a weekly basis. So we should be able to just run into the store and get milk, right? But you got to go through everything, all these aisles, just to get to the milk, because the store is designed to make money. The store is designed to generate profit. And they generate the profit off of you by you going in and you buying all this extra stuff that you don't need. So just remember that I told you that next time y'all go into a store, look and see how that store designed. Look how that store is set up, especially the grocery store. That's our biggest bill, is the grocery store. I want you guys to start paying attention how the grocery is set up. It's set up and it's designed for you to keep shopping and shopping until all your money gone. Think about when you're in Walmart. You go to Walmart for one little thing and you come out with 20 or 30. It's designed to be that way. Even the Dollar Tree is designed to be that way. So I'm telling you guys, start spending your money wisely, start making a list, and be very conscious on how you spend. And you're going to be closer to wealth than you can believe. The next one I want you guys to do is save a percentage of it. I'm not going to give y'all a percentage. It's whatever you make, save it. Don't just spend all your money or just pay all your money on bills. Do not do that. Save a percentage of your money. We are trying to build wealth, and that's how you build wealth. You save a percentage of your money. The next thing, guys, I want you to do is start focus on being around successful people. It makes a big difference, because if you're around successful people, it's gonna rub off on you and it's gonna make you want to be successful. But if you're around people that just talk about people, gossip all the time, and they're not goal setters and they're not go getters, you ain't gonna be one either. Because the birds of the feather, they do flock together. Like I'm saying, the apple don't fall too far from the tree. So be around successful people. Be around people who want something out of life. And then you're going to be even closer to wealth. Another thing, guys, invest in your education. I cannot stress enough. You don't have to go get as many degrees as I got. I'm going to say that over and over. You ain't got to do that. But you got to invest in your education. Invest in your knowledge. Take a class. Take training. Learn as much as you can. That's how you're going to be wealthy. You got to invest in something of your interest that's going to help you better your skill sets at a better job. It's going to just help you better yourself. Y'all, Chance's in the back barking. Do not worry about him. And also, guys, I want you guys to start a business. Anything you like, start a small business and watch it grow. Because wealthy people, guys, I can't think of not one wealthy person. I'm not talking about rich. I'm talking about wealthy. Not one wealthy person that I know don't own a business. So make sure that you think about a business that you're interested in and then start your business. You know, I do specialize in business plans and marketing plans to help you on your way. Y'all can just send me an email. The final tip I'm going to leave you guys with, guys, is think about real estate. Real estate right now, because of the inflation, might not be too good to invest in. But when it's time, when inflation is over, guys, you guys need to be thinking about real estate investment. Real estate investment will make you very wealthy. Very wealthy. So I don't care if you don't have enough money to invest in real estate. You can go into wholesale. It's so much stuff y'all can do with real estate without having any money. Now, I might do a topic on what things that you can invest in real estate to earn wealth, but this is not the video for that right now, so I'm not going to go into that right now. But I want you guys to look into real estate. Hey, Boss Up Babies, I hope you guys enjoyed this information today. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment something down inspirational down below. Till then, Boss Up Babies, I want you to stay prayed up and stay bossed up, baby.